2022 Honda Civic C versus Hyundai Elantra and Line taillights. The two sedans are extremely similar when you combine power and weight ratio, as they battle it out on the track strip to come out on top. And then track racing is a great way to compare two closer matched cars to each other. The No matter what type of car they are or what class they are in, and some car legion provides some of the best track race with a lot of current cars. His latest video featured the new and exciting Honda Civic C, which is facing off against the Hyundai Elantra and Line. This is interesting matchup of two very different sedans. Compare the Civic C with the Elantra. The Civic is an exciting prospect. It has a 1.5-liter 4-cylinder turbocharged engine. It has a 6-speed transmission and is front-wheel drive. The Civic is produce a very respectable 200 HP. The Elantra and Line has a 7-speed DCT in Canada, a 4-cylinder 1.6-liter turbocharged engine and max 201 HP. So both cars make pretty similar and virtual engineered identical for vehicles. It is close when it comes to weight to meet the Elantra weighing in at 2,954 lbs compared to the 2,952 lbs of the Civic. These two cars are very closely matched. Testing the two cars over the 1.4 mil. For the first car, the cars will both be in the sports mode to keep things as balanced as possible, and since the Civic is she get the better jump over the Hyundai Elantra, but then the Elantra just races past the Honda thanks to its digital transmission. The manual is definitely a handicap on Civic has got going, but it did look at is it helped initial of the Line against expectation. Line 2 again saw the Civic get a better launch, and this time it was able to hold on in front and win, making it an all of the two cars. The sedan better continue. The next round sees the two cars battle it out from around 30 or 50 km. Rolling start, the Civic does get away well initial, but the Hyundai gets the power onto the front and inch ahead of its initial well, but the Hyundai get that power into the front and inch ahead of its Honda rival. So it is 2 for the Hyundai and 1 for the Civic, but all 3 races were pretty close. Heckling just however much these two sedans are dedicated in Hyundai's style, looking to help with the fast shifting, but both are very capable and potent cars and are every even more adjusted. And thank you. This is Hyundai Elantra and Civic Honda.